Hello everyone, back again on the Tekno Jenius channel. In this video, I will tell you how to make a singing lip-sync AI character like this.
Bukan siapa-siapa untukmu, ku cintaimu, tak berarti bahwa kau tetap di hatiku, meski dunia menjauhkan kita.
The method is quite easy, friends. But before continuing, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any other interesting information from us. Here the tools I use are ChatGPT, Suno, Flow, and Dreamina. Okay, the first step. Of course, we open the mandatory tool, namely ChatGPT. Here we will create the prompt. I first uploaded the reference model and commanded ChatGPT like this. Please make me a prompt from this photo of me being in a recording studio and singing. Add anything else that you think is good, and make sure the result is good and realistic. Then we wait for the results. Next, we copy the prompt and switch to Flow to create the image. For the settings, I use Banana Pro. Next, we uploaded a photo of the reference model and paste the prompt and click Generate. You can make it again if the results are not satisfactory. So, if you are satisfied, continue asking ChatGPT again to make a music prompt, along with the lyrics to make music in Suno duet. Once finished, we copy and paste the prompt and lyrics. For the music style prompt, we paste it here. And for the lyrics, we paste it here. Next, click Generate and wait for the results. Okay, this is the result, friends. Let's listen to it first.
Dari cerita kita nyebut namamu, mungkin masih tinggal di dalam langkah pergi dari cerita kita, tapi setiap langkahku kembalimu. Mungkin waktu kan menghapus luka rasa. Berapa jauh langkahku, namamu tetap ku panggil dalam.
Okay, this one has good results in my opinion. So I just downloaded it. So, to speed up the duration, I will first cut the audio from Suno's results. So I looked for an audio cutter online. Here I just take the chorus then save it. the next step, we will make a video of the picture above singing lip sync. So I asked for help again from ChatGPT. Make another prompt to generate the video, where the photo of the generated image is of me singing with simple hand movements. After the results came out, I just copied the prompt. Next, we open Dreamina. Here you can log in using your own email and you will be given 225 credit per day. So in this section, select the AI avatar menu. Then here upload a photo of your character model. And here upload the audio of the song. So for the prompt, we paste it here. Click generate and wait for the results. And boom, here are the results.
Kau tetap di hatiku, meski dunia menjauh. Ku bukan siapa-siapa untukmu, ku cintaimu, tak berhenti bahwa.
Okay, that's it friends. Our video this time is about how to make the AI character singing lip sync. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again in the next video.